Patches are updates meant to enhance performance, fix problems, and add new content. Palworld is an open-world survival game. Enable player to gather resources, craft tools, and raise pals as friends to build a community full of life. Palworld is a famous game that has captured the hearts and minds of players worldwide with its unique blend of exploration, crafting, and creature collecting. What are patch notes? Patches are updates meant to enhance performance, fix problems, and add new content to the game in equal parts, which balances things out to make it better and more fun for all players. Palworld v0.3.5 patch notes. Palworld v0.3.5 patch notes offer the developers a chance to enhance the game further, fix current issues, and maintain community interest through the continuous release of patches. This time, it is released with very exciting changes and improvements to the game, as covered below. Base fixes. Pals stranded in the base were spamming notifications a bit too often. This update has silenced them. The game will only show notifications now if the player is within the radius of the base where the incident is occurring. Notifications regarding issues with natural objects no longer appear. In some cases where a working pal is stuck, they will now work remotely from where they are standing. Bug fixes fixed a problem where pillars could not be built underwater. Fixed a problem where the oil rig turrets were desyncing in multiplayer. Text fixed a bug where simplified characters were mixed into the traditional Chinese translation. Other minor text-related bugs were fixed.